Why is it that when someone yawns, you suddenly have to yawn too? Let's find out why yawning is so contagious. Yawning isn't just about being tired, it's your brain's way of cooling itself down and staying alert. But here's where it gets interesting. When you see someone yawn, or even hear it, your brain's mirror neurons activate. These are the same cells that make you mimic facial expressions or emotions. So when your friend yawns, your brain basically says, "Oh, we're doing that now," and triggers your own yawn. Scientists think it's linked to empathy. The more empathetic you are, the more likely you'll yawn when others do. Even reading or thinking about yawning can make you do it. And if you just yawned right now, congratulations, you're human. So next time you catch a yawn, remember, it's your brain's way of connecting with others. If you found this cool, like the video and follow for more awesome body and brain facts.